Hello friend, I will show you about how to fork defrost LG refrigerator inverter model. Tudor. All inverter model will be do the fork defrost the same method. You can see the sticker on back side label of refrigerator. So we can read test 2. We set a function test method. Test 2 is the defrost mode, defrosting. So we want to know refrigerator operating defrost mode cycle normal or abnormal. We can do this mode as well. So first you can see compressor off when we test mode 2. Test mode we can press button on the main PCB. This one, we test 2 times. It's going to test mode. Okay, so first when we go to test mode, defrost, compressor off, breezer fan motor off, defrost heater on. The 2 second defrost heater will on, so the power supply will supply from main PCB to defrost heater 220 volt. Compensation heater on for 5 seconds only for door close, and LED on the PCB 2 seconds on and 2 seconds off. Release at the defrost sensor about bigger than 13 cc degree or 2 hours pass. Okay, so when we go to check the power supply to heater, we can see the diagram, circuit diagram on the label backside. This is label. Okay, you want to check the power supply to heater. You can see this one. This is we call diff heater. It's mean a breezer defrost heater. Here, choose okay, we can see the pink bulbing. Okay, you can see connect the con 6 and pin number 3 and number 4. Go to heater BL and BO, blue and orange. Okay, so you can see this connector blue and pink. Okay, connector 6, number 6. So now start defrost mode. We can press 2 times on main PCB and the power will supply to. Before you press, you can check the temperature on the freezer room or defrost sensor reach about a minus 13, now minus 17 is okay. We can test mode 2. Okay, let's start. We press direct 2 times. 1, 2. Okay, now the voltage supply to heater 230 voltage AC, pink. Connector 6, pink, cable blue and orange. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. That is meaning defrost cycle working normal, main PCB okay, heater okay, defrost sensor okay, shoes mail okay also.